Hello fellow makers, today we are going to test these LED name badges. I got these at an electronics market in Shenzhen, China, but you can find these for a couple of bucks on AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce platforms. Let's go. So these are supposed to be name badges which you can program and they pop out like hell if you're in a party or a conference. These come with a safety pin or a magnet, depends on the version you buy, and they have a battery inside and they are rechargeable. So on the side you have the micro USB port, which is only for recharging. I don't think it has data transfer. All the data transfer is done using Bluetooth, or the programming is done using Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth low energy, but this is Tech Talkies tested, so we're going to test it. Okay, I was wrong. It is getting detected, but it shows up as an unknown device. And I have searched everywhere but couldn't find a driver for this thing. If anyone has managed to find the driver for this, please let me know in the comments. And the two buttons are one for power and one for brightness. Now the brightness button also works as a selection. This is playing 1 out of 8, message 1 out of 8. You can program and upload 8 messages at a time. Right now it is running the factory firmware which has only one message. And the power button is obviously to turn the thing off and on. When it boots up, it shows you the battery level. And if you press and hold the brightness button, it lowers the brightness one step at a time or 25 steps at a time. So that's full brightness. And if you press and hold the power button, it goes into pairing mode. Now what do we pair it with? Almost all of these LED name badges come with a QR code which you scan to get an app. I know what you guys are thinking. I'm not installing a Chinese app on my phone. Well, you have to if you want to use this. This one is particularly sketchy because it doesn't even have a domain. It is just an IP address and has an index page on it, and I think download APK. Now mind you, I am doing this on my extra phone. There is no personal data on this phone. I don't care if something happens to it. I think when you do something like this, when you download an app from a Chinese website that doesn't even have a name, I think it's safe to have a burner phone like this. Of course, Xiaomi's security scan. Nothing really popped up as a red flag, but still, I would be safe. And an app like this which connects to Bluetooth devices usually do ask you for location and Bluetooth permission, and make sure to have those turned on. And let me find the language. The language setting is usually the last one. Oh yeah, bingo. Alright, so I guess this is to edit. And there are a bunch of the badge is already in pairing mode. Now I'm going to hit send. Let me add a couple of messages actually. After a reboot, it starts the first message. Press the brightness once. Second message, press it again. Third message, I should have made these a bit faster. And we have the fourth message, press it again. And we get to our first message, which is hello to all my fellow makers. And obviously a test is not complete without us breaking open the Chinese LED name badge. So let me power this off. This is surprisingly strong. I fully expected one of these locks to just break, but you know, all intact. Wow, that battery does not look good. Is it me or does it look swollen? Oh no, I think that's the shape of it. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get the it says CH582M. Not sure what that is. Nothing much to see here. There's the antenna. That's the inside. Hopefully it still works. I didn't break anything. Oh, there you go. These things are really good. I like them. They are strong. The battery lasts. Actually, the battery is quite big. I did not expect that to be that big, but yeah. And these come in a variety of colors. I liked this was supposed to be purple. Looks more pink, but I liked this, and the white looks much brighter and there's so much more contrast in person. I'm sure the video is not doing justice to these LEDs. Maybe I can give a name badge to my desk tank here. I don't think he likes it. So yeah, I hope this helped if you were contemplating on buying something like this. Subscribe to our channel if you like things like these. We try to test things, break them open even if possible, every week. Until then, keep making.